Hey guys, it's your favorite girl Alicia Handles It, and I'm back with another video. And in this video today, guys, I just came out here to show you one of the ways that I do my waves. Right here is my beautiful water bottle that I made. I hope you guys like it. Make sure to press subscribe. Make sure you like the video, and I'll probably be back, but it's mostly just a watch and learn or watch and take what you can. This is a wig that I made a few months back, and I'm just, doing a little something, something for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoy. And if you have any questions, leave a comment below and I'll be happy to handle it for you. Mwah. So unfortunately, guys, I erased this video by accident. So I am re-uploading it, and I hope you guys rewatch it and enjoy it the same way you did the first time, because this video was one of my highest, most popular videos. But the devil is a liar, and I got way more content for you guys. And yeah, so this was just a wig I made like a few months ago, and I wanted to show you guys another finger wave tutorial because I realized that you guys really like it. But hey, here we go. Again, make sure to like the video. So basically in this video, I want to show you guys how to connect your waves all around the head. I don't do that with every wave style I do, but it's good to know how to connect your and make it look flawless without you having waves all around your head, and it just looks like I have a patch here, I have a patch there. So this video is basically showing you guys how to connect your waves from the top all the way to the bottom. And this is why it's called finger waves, guys, because even though I'm using two combs, a tail comb and an all-purpose comb, I'm still working my fingers. I'm moving my fingers. You have to use your fingers to form your waves. Don't just depend on the combs alone. You have to really use your fingers. So that is why this is called finger waves. Fingers are at work. Always got to be moved. There you go. Always got to be moving your fingers and forming your waves. And a good way to ensure that your waves come out nice, one good way is to always comb the hair into the direction, clean it up, make it neat before you actually do your wave. And it will come out neat 98% of the times. And I'm using a lot of body, not water body, but lot of water body. That's a good name for lot of body and water mixed together, water body. But yeah, I'm using a lot of water mixed with a lot of body because I don't want to just use gel. I want this to have a soft look. Even though I'm using gel, I don't want it to look stiff. I still want it to have a nice, softer look when it's dry. So, yeah. So guys, every time you make a wave, make sure to smooth out the hair, clean out under your ridge, form it, and then start your next wave. Always start your next wave after you smooth and clean out under your ridge, and you'll always have a neat look. Tell me what you want, what you need. Tell me, tell me, tell me. Tell me what you want, what you need. Tell me, tell me, tell me. Tell me what you want, what you need. Tell me, tell me, tell me. Tell me what you want, what you need. Tell me, tell me, tell me.
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. And I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. And I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't have to plan it, I can go change my fate. You won't understand it, all alone, that's okay. People I can't stand them, they don't want me to change. Keep me where I'm standing, and I don't wanna be where I am. And I want something more, take a chance. It could be possibly my last dance, my last dance. And I don't wanna let myself down, myself down.
So guys, as I'm coming towards the end of the wave, it's shorter in the back, so I'm just doing like shadow waves, just combing it in the direction on each wave, just going around and just, molding it into, we call those shadow waves. So I hope you guys like the video. Make sure you're subscribed. Hit the like button, guys, because it gets me out there in the algorithms, okay? And if you have any questions, make sure just drop it below in the comments and I'll be sure to handle it for you. And if you want to help out the channel, you can leave a super thanks. I would really appreciate it. I'm doing wig giveaways soon and I'll be opening the YouTube store soon. So see you guys in the next video and love you guys and mwah!